China's support for Samoa's agricultural and fisheries sector, complemented by all of Samoa's development partners and international organizations, is greatly applauded by the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, Apionga Fuimono, Mayava Tito Asapo. He acknowledges that this is one of the achievements and milestone in the celebration of the Samoa-China 50 years of diplomatic relationships, which will be celebrated in Samoa later this month.
China's support to the agricultural and fisheries sector, together with all our development partners, international organization, is tremendously appreciated by the farmers and fishers family who have reaped the fruits of your labor. To say Samoa and her people are grateful is an understatement, and we value each and every one of our kind and generous friends, reiterating the ministry's sincere appreciation. You are truly making a difference for Samoa by providing the opportunity to encourage our farmers to invest in the land and our largest natural resource, our ocean, to reduce their reliance on imports. As you are aware, import substitution to subsidize and reduce dependence of goods from overseas is one of our government's key strategy for our people. To effect the Samoa-China Agricultural Technical Aid Project, SCATEP, now in her 15 years, is evidence of how local farmers are benefiting from the resources and technical expertise from China to strengthen and improve their farming techniques. And as Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, I cannot thank you enough. Throughout it all, nothing would be possible without your helping hands. Without the support of our donors, none of what we have achieved and continue to implement would even be possible. On behalf of all the farmers and their families who have benefited from China's impeccable helping hand, happy 50th anniversary to the China-Samoa diplomatic relationship. Avea ro whaatauwaa, e whaaleo ina ai le nganga whaaftaitele i le malo saina. Ai mai se pa anga uma, o lo ngarurua so tau au ma Samoa. Uma whai ai o na whaatino nei a tinae, tau whaatoanga mo le atu. Whaamanuia le atua I roto angarelei. Soifua.
Half a century later, Samoa continues to reap the fruits of hard labor from the friendship between the two countries, mostly in the education, health and agricultural sectors. It would be amiss not to revisit Beijing's helping hand to strengthen Samoa's agricultural sector, and the most visible is evidenced by the Samoa-China Agricultural Technical Aid Project, known as SCATEP, now in her sixth phase and continuing to build momentum after 15 consecutive years. And among the key pioneers who contributed to the success of SCATEP is Prime Minister Laudiel Malietoa Lewatea Plata Iwao Fosi Smith during his previous terms as the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries.
I stand here on behalf of our government, Ambassador Kwairofa, and also Dr. Liu to convey our continuous sincere support. Continually, thank you very much and for your continuous support for Samoa agriculture sector. I believe we are in the middle of designing our phase 6 for SCATEP project. And I urge and ask for your favorable consideration in what that needs the most now for our farmers. Thank you for all this hard work that you've been done for the last 5 phases. It has been achievable and it's been proven that technical from China has approved and also improved a lot for our Samoan crops. We have been enjoyed and also take advantage of so many new changes that's come along for the produce and crops that has been displayed and also performed in our compound here in Luke. And I only ask to consider what is needed the most now is mechanized and commercialized. It's the only way to move forward in the changes of weather and all the changes of difficulty and a lot of challenges that the farmers are facing now. We have to plow Samoa. Samoa has never been plowed. We have to get rid of the rocks and the trunks and everything. Landscape, irrigation system, road system, to make sure we have a smooth and yield that can be yield properly and yield well for our farmers to do. So today I wish to convey a continuous thank you for your continuous support for Samoa agriculture sector, and also you will be considering to continue our phases to SCATEC. This is phase 6, and I hope we will reach stage 30 or 40. And we can continue on until everyone here is a commercial exporter. So thank you very much, Ambassador, and thank you, Dr. Liu, and all your workers. I know your workers work very, very hard. My last request, get us a plow that can grow taro. Liu, that's the only way you've seen now is shortest of taro because there's no manpower. Taro only grow in manpower. But we have to demonstrate and try the plow that can grow taro, like growing cabbage and rice. So, without further ado, manuia tato waso fa manuia mula pasa saina ya mesia tato manuia before manuia.
Samoa is the home of SCATEC's largest integrated demonstration farm in the Pacific Island region to date. Headquartered at Nu, the demonstration farm is facilitating 9 agricultural stations and has developed more than 100 model farmers, complemented by 10 key agricultural technology packages. Currently, 14 Chinese agricultural experts have been working in Samoa since February 2024 until January 2027, with 2 short-term experts for 6 months.
Unlike many other projects that we've been working with, they are very good. But the beauty of this project is we have the experts with us 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are available to come and assist us. Farmers are not really requiring their assistance from a 9 to 5. It's always early in the morning or late in the evening. And sometimes at night, you're trying to have problems with the sows, one of the pigs has got into trouble and you need their assistance, they are ready. Early in the morning, we have problems with the crops. We come upon to the Chinese experts, they are willing to assist us. And this has been such a blessing. With over 10 years of their experience and knowledge that they're sharing with our people, this is such a beautiful thing, a great partnership, a great collaboration that will be lasting for many years. They've helped us in many ways. Looking at fruit trees, vegetable farms, for the poultry production, piggery production, and outside of their scope, they're also assisting us with mechanization, irrigation, tunnel houses, and the sharing of knowledge. They've even looked into ways to process a lot of their Chinese cooking to meet our local needs.
Through the SCATECs, a biomass digester is in operation and 2 more are currently under construction. The project also includes 3 pig houses, established 3 model farmers integrating crop cultivation, livestock farming, and biogas utilization. Biogas training for 138 Samoans is completed.
Malorowa antara fatu yo mo solofa yo se pada tuanga phải là quá mà tôi sẽ làm mấy này yêu lệ này phải lệ yêu lệ sa tôi sẽ là lô lệ số san nhà lệ và anh ngắt chép mấy lệ nửa xanh mà vậy mà còn phần phố là này số ấy lệ phải chuối lệ sa ấy lệ phải qua mua mà ở phía ấy làm mà biogas lệ màu ấy lệ cái gì phải ấy yang ngasih saya ngafuk elang untuk sisi lain ni kalau mika le mio le oleh fale le au fi ai potu lima pa popo ile ni ya macina ya mai mole tu foi lang pa tai le ele malo sina ya se foi le tanga ngau o pa to anga fai nga pa ele so son foi mai lang suai ya cina foi ya ayo tanga ta ya le mo wan so soni i nei chỉ lại vậy mà lần này với cháu sáng lên và về tối đi mà chúng cháu sáng cháu luôn là phải bảo ngay giờ mà lúc sáng muốn mà lúc sáng mà vậy thì lần này thằng cháu ta giờ số số này mình này chnu mà lô đó vậy.
By promoting the livestock crop biogas, it contributes to Samoa's global climate commitments and advances suitable agricultural development.
Yes, for livestock they do a lot of assistance. They have several vets which are available to assist. They do artificial insemination of our pigs to make sure we get good quality breeds. Also, a very good system of our broiler chickens where the male and female chickens are brought and raised in Samoa, taken care of by the Chinese, and then little chicks from these little chicks are made available, and they are distributed to a lot of the farmers who are waiting for these chickens. For the Chinese projects, we have a lot of model farmers who deal with demonstration of how we can do a system which has the male, the female, and the supply of the broiler chickens in Samoa. That means we do not have to import the eggs from overseas. We can sustain the production of chicken and broiler production in Samoa. At the moment, we're still at a small to medium scale, which means that we're only able to assist a small number of farmers in Upolu and on Savai. The benefits, there are so many benefits. The list will go on. The fact that they are present, they are here with us, they are walking with us, not just come dropping off a project and leaving, staying with us and able to build facilities. When they found out that feed was a problem, we built a feed mill which is able to produce a sustainable supply of feed for our poultry. On behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, we want to say thank you. Thank you for your assistance, thank you for your support. It's not just the agriculture support that you've given us through crops and livestock. It's also the personality, learning of your culture, giving us your time, sharing stories, and drinking a beer together. And that's very important for agricultural production. All the best with the 50 years. Faftai.